In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead form in the Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a form that captures lead information and feeds it directly into your CRM so your sales and marketing teams can follow up more efficiently. First, open your browser and go to your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has the right permissions to modify settings and create web forms. Once you're on the main homepage of Zoho CRM, you'll see your usual dashboard with modules like leads, contacts, and deals. From here, you need to access the settings area. Look for the settings icon, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. It usually looks like a small gear. Click on that icon to open the settings page. This is where you can manage configuration options for your CRM, including channels, automation, and customization. On the settings page, find the section labeled Channels. Channels are different ways through which data can enter your CRM, such as email, social media, and web forms. Under Channels, look for the option called Web Forms and click on it. This will take you to the area where all your existing forms are listed and where you can create new ones. Now that you're on the Web Forms page, look for a button that says New Form. This is usually located near the top right corner. Click on New Form to start building a new web form from scratch. A new window or page will open, asking you to provide a name for your form. Type in a clear, descriptive form name that will make sense to your team later on, such as Website Contact Lead Form or Event Sign-Up Leads. This name is mainly for internal use, so choose something that clearly describes the purpose of the form. Next, you'll be asked to choose which module this form should be associated with. Since we want to capture new leads, click on Leads. This tells Zoho CRM that every submission from this form should create or update a record in the Leads module. Once you've selected the Leads module